So we talked earlier how clouds can have a cooling effect during the day because they block some of the sun's energy that otherwise would get to the Earth's surface. But noticeably, especially at night, they have a warming effect. And if you're kind of a visual person, if this is the Earth's surface at nighttime, we have these clouds. Clouds have kind of usually flat bottoms, regardless if they're fluffy. What clouds do to help us kind of keep us warm is that as the Earth oozes infrared radiation or thermal energy, the clouds kind of deflect some of that energy back down. Okay, so they have a cooling effect, especially noticeable only during the day, and a warming effect at night. And so kind of switching gears from location A to location B, I just like you generally to consider throughout the course of a day. So this would be like from midnight, 12 a.m. to noon to midnight again. Okay, so in general on a clear day we see, and we're going to talk more about why this is, but we see about our coldest temperatures, about sunrise, our warmest temperatures a few hours after noon, and then it goes back down again. Now that's on a clear day. Notice, compare that to a day that we have clouds. And hopefully one of the things that you're noticing is that it doesn't, the daytime temperatures don't get as warm. That makes sense during the daytime because those clouds are blocking some of that incoming heat. But notice also that the nighttime temperatures, this is a clear night, and this is an overcast night, a night with clouds. If you have clouds, it doesn't get as cold. So what the temperature range we would say for an overcast day is less. There's less fluctuation in its temperature from the hottest to the coolest as compared to a clear day. So I think I mentioned this earlier that we are going to look at a location, and it's Myanmar, and it has chronic cloud cover. Myanmar is one of those locations that actually has a wet monsoon season and a dry monsoon season because it has the Himalayas are causing some orographic lifting and making that happen. But can you see how this is a climatogram, and I haven't showed you the temperature yet, but down here, according to month, this is rainfall. Notice not much, January, February, March, April. This would be the part of the dry monsoon season for Myanmar. And then look what happens in May. Okay, in May, when we're kind of, remember June, we're going to hit the summer solstice because Myanmar is in the northern hemisphere. At May, we start to get the rains, and the rains come and come and come. So the chronic cloud cover I was talking about is right here. From May to October, lots of rainfall. So this is when you would think would be the hottest time of the year for this location. But notice what that chronic cloud cover does. This is the temperature, showing you the temperature of this location. Okay, the net effect of cloud covers is basically to kind of, like you saw in the previous slide, kind of dampen the extreme throughout a particular day, the range throughout a particular day, and also to kind of dampen the range throughout an annual temperature. So